In today's video, I will be showing you that how you can read a streaming log. For example, in Linux operating system, you have a tail command, which you run on a log file, and your application keeps adding logs to that file, and you keep reading the new added logs or lines from that. So we will be trying to do what tail command does in Linux operating system. So let us start. Let us create a log file first. I will say new item tab file. Name is test.log, and let me run by command get content path test.log. This is the file name from where I will be reading the command, and I will say tail 10 lines, and I will say that this command to wait that do not complete. Let me split the pane, and and I will say, for example, that I have to add lines, add content to this test.log so that we can see that our code is working. So I will say for count, dollar count is zero, dollar count is less than suppose 1,000, less than 1,000. We will try to add 1,000 lines and increment the variable. I will say add content to add content to the file. Path is path is going to be the test.log, that the file we have created, and value is going to be I will say log line number dollar count, and after that I'll say that start sleep for seconds one, so that a new line will be added every second, and get content in this scenario command checks for new content every second. So let us check that our code is working or not. Our get command over here will is waiting to read contents from test.log, and currently there is no content, so it is not printing anything, and we are running a loop. We will be running a loop over here to add content to test.log. So as content will get added, we will see that these contents are appearing on the left hand side. Let us start. You can see that the contents are getting added and appearing on the left side. To make it more clear, I can say, for example, let me stop it. This is showing the old last 10 lines. So I can just say clear content and test.log. There is no content there. And for more clarity, I will add one more line in this code. I will say content is log line number dollar count, right host, and object can be content. So what are we are what we are doing here, that we are still looping for 1,000 times, but this time I have stored the content in a in a variable, and I will also add and also say, for example, this is for logging, that to show that something is happening on the in the loop also. New line number added to file, and nothing else. So I guess I can remove this line which is not needed. I can say add it to file, and I can say no new line, and I will just have to print. I want to print some log so that it is more visible, and I will replace this with a variable because the value we were adding earlier are is stored in the content variable right now. Content. Let us start. You can see that it is telling me that it has added the lines and what is the content, and we can see the exact value appearing on the left hand side. So this is how we read the streaming logs in PowerShell, and it is working exactly like the tail command that works uh, in Linux operating system. So we can do what tail command does in Linux with get content, tail parameter, and wait parameter. So see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.